In this video, we're going to learn to make a really cute 6-petal flower. Takes 2 balloons, both of them are 260s, so grab a pair of 260s, grab a pump, get ready to have some fun. For our 6-petal flower, I'm going to start with, I've got a pink or fuchsia that I'm using for the flower petals, and I've blown it up almost to the end, but I have not tied it yet, because what you want to do is once you've blown it up to the end, you're going to let the air out, and what you want to do is kind of squeeze up here until you get about maybe an inch or so in the end. Then you tie it together, but when you tie it out as close to the end of the tail, the tip as you can there. See, I've got that extra there uninflated. Now you're going to squeeze it. That'll fill that back up. And then by doing that, this balloon is very soft. You want this to be soft because in a minute we're going to make it tight again. Take it, fold it in half, and then go to the end where it comes together, twist that. So now you've got 2 big long bubbles like that. Now what I'll do, fold it over. You're going to hold them together. Fold it over and then adjust it so that you've got, it's even. You see how these ends are even here? Then you're going to come to where it's folded here. Grab those 2 and twist them together. Then you're going to fold it back over and come to where these 2 are crossing over. Twist those 2 together and then put them all back together. They may not be exactly, but it's going to be pretty close. If you need to adjust it, you can. I'm going to let it out just a hair. So you've got what looks like a 6-pack of hot dogs. Now comes the really tricky part. What you're going to do is you've got the ends where you've got all the twists here and then the twist and the tied part. Take your hand, grab one section so you put your fingers in the middle like that. The other side the same way. See my thumb and forefinger or middle finger go in the middle. Then we're going to take and push all of that together. We're trying to grab it with one hand and then grab these 3 petals on the outside and twist them around. And there you have a 6-petal flower. See, and because we burped it and made it really soft, it's still soft enough that I can get away with that. Now for our stem, I've got obviously a green and I've got maybe an inch on the end. Now what you want to do in the end, this is what I like to do makes it just a little bit cuter, a little more special. You're going to make a tulip twist. It's very simple. You take and you put your finger on the knot, push the knot up inside the balloon until I go to about my 2nd knuckle, then reach through from the outside, grab the knot with my other hand, and I'll push on that side with my finger. Pull that out, I'm still holding the knot, and then twist this several times. That's just a basic tulip twist there. Then you're going to grab your flower, and I'm going to twist this up into the middle, push it until that tulip twist is in the middle. Then I'm going to take my stem and wrap it around once to lock it in place. There you have that. Now for our petals, you got to have our leaves on the stem. It's real easy. I'm going to take, if you make an S, that's an S if it's sideways or a backwards in, you'll get 2 petals. If you want to get 3 petals, you can go and make a W and get 3 petals. A lot of times I'll make 3 petals because it tends to hold the flower upright better. So what you'll do is you'll make your W, then you're going to lay them over, make sure you hang on to all of them, grab them in the middle, and then just twist that around. Bring the tail down to the bottom, and you've got 3 petals. And because you've got the 3 petals instead of the 2, when you have the 2, it tends to want to flop over easier. This makes it a little bit more stable. Then you can give your petals a little shape, or your leaves a little shape if you want. I'll give my stem a little shape. And there you have a really cute and fast 6-petal flower. And there you have our 260 flower. The 6-petal takes a little bit more practice to get it right, but trust me, it's worth the effort because it looks so much more better than the 4-petal, which in my opinion looks like a fan that you'll see other people make sometimes. This will help you stand out. It's worth the practice. Really cute, lots of fun. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check back next time for more fun videos. Have a great day and stay twisted.